Hey guys, welcome to Tech Hans. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix this camera issue that most people have been facing on their Lenovo laptop. So this is mostly due to a software issue or a setting that got changed by mistake. I initially thought it could be because my camera lens is damaged or some hardware issue, but actually it is not the case. So luckily I still have warranty. In case if something is wrong with the hardware, I can get it replaced. But if this is not a hardware issue and software issue, if you didn't know how to fix this, you might end up spending lots of money trying to fix a problem that is not really a problem. So I tried restarting first, it didn't work. So I went to Lenovo Vantage app. In here, go to Device, Display and Camera. And in here, you will see, okay, it says Camera in use. So let's close the app. So Display and Camera. So here, still it shows that the camera is not working. Then I realized in here the camera privacy mode option. So the camera stops sending live images when the privacy setting is enabled. Turn this on only when you do not want to share your images to other while video calling. Then I turned this off. The camera started working back again. So the problem is more of a software issue, which I might have activated accidentally. I don't remember activating this option, so it could have happened by mistake. I urge you to check this out before sending your laptop for any repair center or for warranty. So the camera is now working, so let's go and check the camera app. Here we go. It's not working because it's already in use, so let's close this. Okay. So here we go, the camera is now working. So guys, I hope you find this valuable. It helped you setting up your camera back on. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, and you may also put a comment below if you have any question. Subscribe to my channel if you like to see more videos. Thank you.